Marinetown has a goal to stay at the top of the creativity game when it comes to marine hardware. Our over-center latches are no exception. The entire line is designed for longevity in the marine environment. Available in locking, non-locking, or padlock versions. Constructed from cast 316 for a beautiful, streamlined appearance and a comfortable feel. They're available in several different sizes, featuring solid arms for high strength and durability. Each over-center latch is packaged with a locator jig for precise strike alignment. And all of them incorporate a unique strike which can be rotated on its offset center to allow for final adjustments following installation.